Looking for warmth without electricity? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best non-electric heaters to keep you cozy anytime, anywhere. We upload quality videos daily to help you find the best products for your needs. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Number 1. Mr. Heater MH4B Little Buddy Propane Heater. The small size and weight of this heater are ideal for taking it along on a cool weather camping trip or an outdoor picnic in brisk autumn air. It can even warm up a chilly garage workshop. The Little Buddy measures just 12 inches high and 9.75 inches in diameter and weighs just 5.85 pounds, which is small enough to fit into most backpacks. With its ability to pump out 3,800 BTUs of heat per hour, this little heater can warm up to 95 square feet of space. It runs off of a standard 1-pound propane canister, which lasts between 5 and 6 hours. Safety features include a low oxygen supply shutoff and an accidental tip-over shutoff. This little heater is incredibly handy, lightweight, and quiet. We barely noticed it was there. Hunters could use it in a blind without announcing their presence. Assembly and setup were simple, too. All it took to get going was connecting the propane and pressing the igniter button. We happen to have the 20-year-old predecessor to this little guy. While the current Little Buddy doesn't put out quite as much heat, it's much safer and quieter. Number 2. Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. This relatively affordable outdoor gas heater boasts a 9-foot heating radius thanks to its height. However, in hands-on testing, we found the height put that heating radius a bit high for most uses. With some adjustability, this heater puts out 46,000 BTUs. The heat is comfortable, and the attractive design feels upscale in the backyard. Assembly took about 30 to 45 minutes and included filling the base with water or sand. We chose water. You can use the included tools, but a ratchet wrench of your own will help when tightening down all the screws and covers. The body is made of durable stainless steel that had no problem weathering a blustery rainstorm or two. The heater stays maneuverable with 2 small wheels on the base. Number 3. Mr. Heater MH9BX Portable Buddy Propane Heater. Take heat where it's needed with this portable propane heater from Mr. Heater. The Buddy weighs just 10.6 pounds but packs a punch with a maximum output of 9,000 BTUs, which is enough to heat a 225 square foot room or the inside of a large tent. With its rugged design and large handle, the Buddy can be transported almost anywhere. It also has a bevy of safety features, including a low oxygen shutoff and a tip-over shutoff. Power and portability make the Buddy an excellent option for a wide variety of heating needs. Let's start by saying that the tip-over shutoff works. Testing started inside a somewhat crowded garage, and the heater got tipped over. It shut off immediately, and no propane leaked. As far as performance, this heater puts out an impressive amount of heat for its size. We used it in a small office and nearly got cooked out. The weight, even with the 1-pound propane bottle attached, is light enough to be portable. We used the swivel regulator to attach a hose to a 20-pound tank. Of course, the heater loses some of its portability when it has a 20-pound tank attached. Number 4. Dyna-Glo 50,000 BTU Kerosene Forced Air Heater. Pumping out 50,000 BTUs of heat through its cannon-shaped design, this kerosene heater from Dyna-Glo is helpful when it comes to warming up spaces that a home's HVAC system doesn't service, like garages and large sheds that function as workshops. A powerful blower allows it to heat up to 1,200 square feet of unheated space, and its ample 5-gallon tank can provide heat for up to 14 hours. A convenient fuel gauge lets the user know how many hours of fuel are remaining. There's a large handle that lends to easy transport of this heater, which weighs about 27 pounds. Safety features include overheat shutoff protection and a flameout sensor. This heater is no joke. We tested it in an 800 square foot uninsulated shop in 50-degree Fahrenheit weather. Number 5. Mr. Heater Vent-Free Blue Flame Natural Gas Heater. For raw heating power, it's tough to beat this natural gas heater. With 30,000 BTUs, this convection heater can make a 1,000 square foot space feel toasty. In addition to being powerful, it's versatile and can be mounted to the wall or sit on the floor. Features include a thermostat that enables easy temperature control and an automatic low-oxygen shutoff valve. Shoppers will also be attracted to its design. With its narrow profile, fireplace looks, and visible flames, this is a heater that can be displayed in almost any living area. For those without a natural gas hookup, the Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU heater is also available in a propane version.